Good morning. Good morning. So, yeah, we are outside of the studio right now. We have a lot of cleaning to do. We have 2 weddings this week. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna be separate vlogs, maybe one vlog. We have a lot of prepping to do. I had 8 bridesmaids this weekend. And yeah, like this is what the salon is looking like. Just a mess. Like, I dropped everything off in here, just this side. Everything else is looking really good, really pristine, very clean. But yeah, we have to get these brushes cleaned, guys. Cleaned, okay? Okay, guys, look at my hair. Like, what are we thinking about the ashy tones? Do we love? I love, actually. But yeah, I'm giving myself about an hour. It is 5 till 11. I do have to be somewhere. I have to leave my house by 12. So we're gonna get what we can done, and yeah. Not that I have to clean it, guys. That wasn't my plan today, honestly. But you know, tidying up never hurt anyone. These are, I have to give this to somebody today. And this is my mom's color. Just going to put our other doll on here. Okay. Let's see what we got over here. I'm gonna put some stuff in the spots. Okay. Okay. So let us start the cleaning process. Gonna get those situated. And I hate when it looks like that. So I'm just going to pretend this is our waiting area. Hey guys, so what we got going on over here, our makeup kit, but that's gonna be for another little bit. I really wanna get the brushes out of the way because I have to wash a lot of them. So yeah, let's get that going. Everything is a mess, guys, because I woke up at 4 a.m. You guys will probably be seeing that vlog soon. But I literally have the trash from that day. Yeah. All the brushes. Book. Light. Light stand. All of these brushes. Look at that. So many. The sponges, and I never reuse any of the sponges. I throw them all away. Do not reuse over here. A new one. So we have one already ready. These sponges are going to the trash. My Max Fix Plus. Trash. These are all the brushes that were dirty this weekend. This is trash. I don't save any of my sponges, but this is trash. No, this is not trash, it's just dirty, and we have to get this going. We have about 30 minutes. So let's see how much we can get done in 30 minutes. What I do like to do first, before actually going in with soap and water, is Instant Eco Tools XL Daily Brush Cleaner fragrance free. I like to go in with this first just because it breaks up a lot of the stuff. It helps with a lot of that. Out some towels to get this going. I'm just gonna go in with some Dawn dish soap. Get this. Okay guys, so we were able to get all those brushes done within 30 minutes. It's 12:01. I actually have to get to work this morning. But yeah, this vlog will probably consist of a few little check-ins here and there throughout the week because we do have to prep. So yeah guys, bye for now.